Krisp connection error? Yeah, that can completely stop it from working, especially when you need it during calls. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, Krisp needs a working connection to function properly. Next, close Krisp completely and reopen it. Yeah, this can fix temporary connection glitches. Now, log out of your Krisp account and log back in. I mean, this refreshes your session and fixes sync issues, okay? If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. These can block Krisp's connection. Also, check your firewall or antivirus settings. Yeah, they might be blocking Krisp from connecting. Next, make sure Krisp is updated. I mean, older versions can have connection bugs. If possible, clear Krisp's cache or temporary files. Uh, Corrupted data can cause connection errors. If it's still not working, uninstall and reinstall Krisp. Yeah, this resets everything. And check if Krisp servers are down. If they are, you might just need to wait. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp connection errors. One of these steps should get it working again quickly. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.